Done working with a client in Xero? Let's remove them from your contact. It's very easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete or archive and contact in Xero accounting software. So let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Clients. From there, choose All Contacts. And now you will see a list of all your contacts here. Find the one you want to remove. Maybe it's an old client or someone you no longer need. Go to their name. Next to their name, there is this three dot options. Click on that and then select Archive. This will remove the contact from your active list and they wouldn't appear in your contacts anymore. But don't worry, you can find them in the archive section if need. And just like that, you are done. Your contact is now archived in Xero. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.